What's up, science explorers? Have you ever seen a material move without being touched just because of electricity? Sounds impossible, right? Today, we're going to talk about electroclastic, where electricity creates motion. Electroclastic refers to the ability of a certain materials to change shape, stretch, or contract when an electric field is applied. Inside these materials, electric charges move and cause the particles to push or pull each other. This internal movement makes the materials physically move. Think of electroclastic materials like a tiny sponge. When electricity flows in, the sponge slightly expands. When the electricity is removed, it goes back to normal. The movement may be small, but it's extremely precise. Electroclastic materials are used in real life more than you think. They are found in robotic systems, medical ultrasound devices, camera focus systems, and even in tiny sensors. Because they react quickly and accurately, they are perfect for advanced technology. So, what makes electroclastic special is control. Scientists can control movement just by adjusting electricity, no gears, no motors. That means less noise, less wear, and more precision. Fun fact: electroclastic materials are part of what we call smart materials. Materials that respond to their environment. So, in a way, they listen to electricity and respond instantly. So, remember, electroclastic is the science of turning electricity into motion. Small movements, big impact. If you enjoy this, like, subscribe, and comment what topic you want next.